What's up, Grayson? It's Brent. I just wanted to let you know that I think that when we were playing football and you were tackling me so hard, I think you might have smashed my elbow. Like, I can't even get it back into socket right now. You were tackling me so hard. I didn't know you had gotten so big, buddy. Like, you're getting big. You were fast. You were crushing me. I'm impressed. I'm also really, really impressed, and I'm very thankful that you showed me that you remembered the motorcycle that I got you for Christmas. I really appreciate that you showed me that and remember that I got that. I really do. So I wanted to thank you for having me in. I wanted to tell you that I had a lot of fun. I can't wait to come hang out with you again and see all your toys, especially that motorcycle your dad got you. I almost want to ride that thing with you, buddy. That thing looks really, really neat. And thank you for remembering the motorcycle that I got you for Christmas. That's really cool, buddy. I'm gonna make sure that I come hang out with you again. We can go through all your toys. Maybe next time I'm gonna have to tackle you a little bit more because you were tackling me so hard that I hope I can get my elbow back. I didn't know you were getting so big, buddy. And I probably was I was more sad when I had to leave than you were. So I just wanted you to know that, buddy. Like, I felt sad too. So I'll come see you again. Hopefully we'll play a little bit longer. I'll get to see all your toys, and then next time you won't hit me so hard because you're getting big and you're getting strong, buddy. Thanks again for having me over. I hope we can hang out again soon. I'm going to try to do my best to come over there. And thanks for having me, buddy. Thanks again. See you later, Grayson.